What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? It has been a while since I've been on this thing, but I do want to check back, hold myself accountable once again. Been losing the ball, dropping the ball, but we back and just kind of want to give quick updates as far as what I am looking at, kind of future markets. So, um, right now I'm in a coin trade, just looking at this on a daily on. Excuse these screens, but just kind of doing a quick video today. Don't want to hold many up, but we can see on the daily on Bitcoin that this is giving a bullish structure, retesting previous highs here. So I do expect this to continue trend. So as you can see, I'm actually in a coin call right now that is doing pretty well, as it's up 3% today. So it's a good start. But just looking into the future, I want you guys to know what I've been doing. I've been doing a lot of trades here. Right now, I've been trying to take off of day trading just because it's so volatile, and do more of swing trading, just kind of waiting for setups to come and then being passive with it. So these are a few of the setups that I really like. Circle being one, as we're seeing a huge breakout of a descending wedge. Now this is a internet group, just IPO'd not too long ago, literally a couple months ago. So you can see it had a huge breakout and start, kind of retraced. Now we're seeing a break. So I haven't entered contracts. I'm in shares. I'm waiting for this to kind of have some type of retracement here. So just to kind of show you guys what I would want to see. I would want to see this into this, right? Normally when we have a descending wedge with the breakout, we're going to see some type of consolidation, retest of its descending wedge. I would like it to see it to hit 102. But I've already bought shares, like Warren Buffett says, not timing the market, but timing the market. So yeah, that's what I would want to see. Haven't entered any contracts, but entered shares there. Adobe is another one that we're watching. Adobe has this huge descending wedge as well. If you see on the weekly, today they have earnings. I would love to enter earnings, but it is a risky play. Take it how you want. I still don't know if I'm going to enter earnings today, but that's up to you guys. Another one that we're watching, Target. Another descending wedge on the larger time frame. Now we're looking on a weekly. You can see all the way from 2018. It looks like it wants to do this bullish breakout, right? Up, and you see this bull flag pattern on this descending wedge, waiting for a breakout there. I've started loading shares, not fully in. I do expect some type of pullback as a whole on the market, so I don't know yet. Intel, I banked pretty hard already. I've been collecting some gains. I'm still in shares. I think having these Tier 4s going on, the need for American products is going to be huge. So I've been playing a lot of Intel and a lot of IBM as far as tech. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, it's been holding this huge support here at this 18 level. So this is actually where we have shares at 18. But as Warren Buffett says, always be buying. So I'm going to continue buying. Just kind of want to update you guys what I'm looking at. Another one, big bull flag pattern here. CoreWeave. Now, I don't know if I messed up and I missed this, which I actually did miss this huge move. But you guys can see, like, if we go into the weekly, this is a huge bull flag, like a huge bull flag pattern waiting to happen. So I've entered some shares here. If it goes, great. But yeah, I would want to see this. If you go in the daily, is the breakout of its descending wedge. This is a breakout, retested here, faked, created a support here, which I did not hop in, and within 3 days we saw a huge move from 85 to 125. So if you were in contracts within the week, oh my god, let's just look at the contracts on the weekly. Like, insane, dude. I don't know why it's only giving us 6. Because if we go, like I said, it was at 85. Let's just say you got a 90 contract. View chart. Daily. That thing was at $1. It's not 22. So $100 to 2 bands. That's a good play. That's a great play. Actually, I'm lying. Into 3 bands. That's a great play. Missed out on that, but that's okay. That's okay. We just watch it. Don't play too risky. Play what we can. This one I absolutely love. ASML. I mean, look at this. Holding this huge touch line. I'm in heavy shares here. I'm getting heavier with both managed accounts and personal accounts. Highly recommend everyone do the same. This is a monopoly as far as the AI sector. Now, I would want to see. I'm interested to see. Next week we have the FOMC meeting. Tomorrow we have CPI coming out, which is going to be a huge indicator as far as what will happen with the rates. So yeah, just really intrigued to see what happens. But either way, I am loading shares here. You can see this small internal bull flag pattern. This is the monthly here, so I expect us to just rip, and continue ripping up into, in several years. I want to see this at plus 1200. But we shall see. Huge touch on those. So we've just been loading shares, playing safe there. Contracts are just absurdly expensive, so I kind of stay away. Just going back, seeing how our contracts are doing on coin, you can see this is now following suit, right? So this trade is going well. Recently I've been playing a lot of CRM as well, but I'm getting sound checked. Let me just continue these. SMCI is another one that I'm watching closely. As you see this red touch of trend line here, if it holds, it could easily just go. I'm waiting to see if it creates a bear flag pattern first and actually comes back lower into maybe this $11 range. But either way, I'm in shares, don't really care. Later on, I know things will be well. Closely related to NVIDIA, so as NVIDIA goes, that's going to go. The last one I am huge on is Applied Materials. Huge fan of this one. I am in. Today it went absolutely insane. Missed that as we saw huge break here, retest, and now we can see some bullish movement. Still skeptical on hopping in large lots just because of all the news coming out, and I don't like being in plays because of the news. Just too volatile for me. But I'm watching closely. I am in loading shares. I want you guys to do the same. As Warren Buffett says, not timing in the market, but time in the market. Always be buying. Always be buying. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I know I haven't been on here in a while. Let me know if you guys would want me to do some live day trading as well. But yeah, something that I'm waiting to see. This looks like a bull flag pattern, but we'll see. I want to see some retracement here on XLK. Core we've talked about. What's one that we have in Target? We talked about Home Depot's going insane. Defensive stop. Could be telling. Hood's a good one. Got added to the S&P. Haven't done much with that one. So did APP. Got added to the S&P. Haven't done much with that. Old time so sad. I bought here and then it dipped lower. Sold. Should just held the shares, but as you can see, it went insane. That one kind of beats me up. So I'm hoping some type of retracement. And then towards Christmas time, towards fourth quarter, we'll see some big boom back upwards. F5 is one that my buddy is really huge on. He put me onto it. I don't know much about the company, so I kind of stay away, but it is going insane. Do your own research. For me, I don't know enough about it to enter, so I kind of stay away on that notion. But another play that I am in that I do expect something to happen as we see huge trend line here. VIX, the VIX, right? Anytime that we see some major consolidation, we're going to see some spikes here. So I have a contract out until October for some type of spike. We shall see if it hits. Now I missed this move, and now I am still down on the contract, still holding, but we shall see what happens there. The next big one, Oracle, should have been an easy one to play today. I don't know why it didn't. they had massive earnings, and anytime you're gonna have some earnings, you're gonna have some people selling off, right? Don't know why it didn't. Oh well. If it continues past this level, which we'll go ahead and send an alert now, I'll hop in the puts there. So that's a good note. If you miss the earnings, play the reverse, right? Yeah, I don't really know what's going on with the market right now, especially having that tomorrow is a CPI, huge data day, and then next week is the FMOC meeting, and our officials are just two kids that disagree. It's crazy that they really hold our financial policy in their hand and their kids, but whatever. Last one that I'm really watching. Now I played this yesterday. I banked on Tesla yesterday. This one I think is gonna go. Let me go ahead and erase that. You can see my trade from yesterday. I do think Tesla's bound to go on the larger time frame. We see huge working up trended upwards, and we do still have this huge gap up here. So watching closely, need to delete some of these alerts. If we do break this level here at, what is this? $362.35, I will be intrigued to go ahead and hop in some more calls. But like I said, all this I'm very skeptical on just because of data next week. We can see a lot of AI sectors are booming right now. MU completely missed. Hurts my heart. We've talked about ASML. Apple's consolidating currently. Boeing missed that one. Called it, missed it. It's okay. Baba, another one. Called it, missed it. Sometimes it happens, guys. I'd rather be safe than sorry. CrowdStrike's given bullish structure, so this is one that could be potentially great, guys. Could be potentially great. We'll see. Yeah, this is kind of how I chart, guys. Just watching the market, you can see this huge touch here, so I'll go ahead and add that one to a close watch. But yeah, this is kind of how I've been watching it. UNH, I'm in. As you can see, it's finally coming into this gap. Didn't play any contracts here, only played shares. Starting to bank. Little did we know Warren Buffett was adding. I added more here. Very happy with that purchase. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I don't want to keep holding you guys here. One that I did miss out on that I was very shocked about is AMD. Now, we shall see what happens here. Like I said, with everything happening, everything's volatile, everything's skeptical. I'm not sure. So I'm really just waiting till next week, but buying those things that I want to be confident about. Wow. This was a miss here, guys. I was up huge. But I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks for tuning in. So sorry that's been so long for a video. But yeah, as we continue our road to profitability and just growing as investors, I hope you guys are doing the same. I hope you're keeping your resilience and also sticking to your structure. Yeah, tune back in for some more insight. See you guys.